Today, we're diving into the Vivo Y37 Pro. Announced in late August 2024 and available since September, this phone packs a lot of punch for its price. Stick around as we break down what makes the Vivo Y37 Pro stand out in a crowded market. Let's start with the design. The Vivo Y37 Pro has a sleek look with dimensions of 165.7 by 76 by 8 mm. It's a bit on the larger side but feels balanced in your hand. Weighing 199 grams, it's not the lightest phone out there, but the extra weight adds to its solid feel. The build includes a glass front, with a plastic frame and back. While it's not the highest-end material, it helps keep the phone affordable. It also has an IP64 rating for dust and water resistance, making it more durable against spills and splashes. Plus, there's a cool notification LED on the back, which adds a nice touch to the overall design. Now, let's talk about the display. The Vivo Y37 Pro features a 6.68-inch IPS LCD screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. This means smoother scrolling and better responsiveness when playing games or watching videos. The screen gets as bright as 1000 nits, which should make it easy to view even in direct sunlight. With a resolution of 720 by 1608 pixels, the display offers decent sharpness and clarity. The 20:9 aspect ratio and 85.3% screen-to-body ratio give you a nice, immersive experience whether you're watching movies or browsing social media. Under the hood, the Vivo Y37 Pro packs a Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, built on a 4nm process. This is a powerful mid-range chip that should handle everyday tasks and gaming quite well. The octa-core CPU includes 2 Cortex-A78 cores for performance and 6 Cortex-A55 cores for efficiency, so you get a good balance of speed and battery life. You get 256GB of internal storage paired with 8GB of RAM. There's no microSD slot for expandable storage, but 256GB should be more than enough for most users. The phone runs on Android 14 with Vivo's Origin OS 4, providing a smooth and clean user experience. The Vivo Y37 Pro features a dual camera setup on the back. The main camera is a 50MP wide lens with an f/1.8 aperture, which should capture sharp and detailed photos. There's also a 2MP depth sensor that helps with portrait shots by adding a nice blur to the background. The camera setup includes LED flash and panorama modes. For video recording, you can shoot in 1080p at 30 frames per second. While it might not have all the bells and whistles of more expensive cameras, it should be more than adequate for everyday photography. On the front, there's a 5MP selfie camera. It also records 1080p video at 30 frames per second, which is good for video calls and social media selfies. One of the standout features of the Vivo Y37 Pro is its massive 6000 mAh battery. This should easily get you through a full day, even with heavy use. And when it's time to recharge, you've got 44W wired charging. Vivo claims you can get 50% charge in just 36 minutes, which is pretty impressive. The phone also supports reverse wired charging, so you can use it to top up other devices in a pinch. The Vivo Y37 Pro covers all the basics well. It supports 5G, which is great for future-proofing your phone. For wireless connectivity, you get Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, and GPS. While it doesn't have NFC or FM radio, it does come with a 3.5mm headphone jack for wired audio. The phone also features stereo speakers, which should provide a better audio experience for videos and games. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor works well for quick unlocking, and other sensors like the accelerometer, proximity sensor, and compass add to its functionality. So, is the Vivo Y37 Pro worth the price tag of around €230? If you're looking for a phone with a big battery, fast display, and strong performance without breaking the bank, it's definitely worth a look. It strikes a good balance between features and cost. Drop your thoughts on the Vivo Y37 Pro in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.